How to fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open Instagram and then click on your account. Now click on edit profile. Now here you can see the music option, add music to your profile. If you can't find this option, then go back to your home screen and click on App Store. Now search here Instagram. Now here you can see Instagram have any update. If your Instagram have an update, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, now scroll down and click on Instagram and then click on offload app. After offload your app, then click on reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.